Hi everyone, welcome to another one of Kingston Library's virtual Steampunk Club activities. Today we are going to show you how to make your very own catapult with some easy household items that you should probably have at home. So what you'll need for this is a number of craft sticks or icy pole sticks. I like the slightly wider ones, but you can do it just as easily with the thinner icy pole sticks if that's all you've got. You need about 9 or 10 of these. You'll need 4 rubber bands, a bottle cap, some glue, and some soft projectiles of your choice. So maybe you want to use little pom-poms, or maybe you'd like to use mini marshmallows or something along those lines. So this is how this works. You're going to take 8 of your 10 craft sticks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and stack them all together like so. So this is when we use our rubber bands to tie the ends of them together so they're nice and secure. You can loop it around a few different times. One on one end, one on the other. And once that's done, we'll take our 2 other sticks, put one on one side and one on the other side. Now this bit is a little bit trickier to maneuver, so if you need to get a grown-up to help you, feel free to do that. Even I have trouble sometimes. And what we're going to do is have them so that they're on either side like that, and then we're going to take a rubber band, put it around the end, do that a few times, and once that seems nice and secure as well, we'll slide it down to the very end, so the rubber band is right at the edge there, and then we're going to take our last elastic band and loop it around the sides here. So on that side one time, and then we'll do the same on the other side. Like I said, you might need to have a couple of tries at this. I know I even now do. So what you're looking for is kind of like a little crisscross there. And so once that's done and everything is nice and secure, you're going to take your bottle cap, you're going to take your glue, put a little bit of glue, put your bottle cap on there. So that serves as the kind of little bucket for your projectiles. So once that's on there, you can pop your pom-pom or other projectile of choice in there. And then a few I prepared earlier, we'll do a little demonstration with this one. You can either press on where your bottle cap is or down there and pull and release. And you'll see, depending on how far you push it down, the size or weight of your projectiles, they might go in different locations. I'd encourage maybe trying something like, can people catch your projectiles? Things like that. So little fun for your activity for you. We'd love to see what you come up with. If you have videos or photos of what you made, you can always tag us on Facebook. So thank you very much for joining in with our activities, and we'll see you again soon.